Hey guys, it's Abbie from Make Life Your Runway, and I curated a travel makeup bag that has literally everything in it, and these are all full-size products so that when we leave the house to go on a car trip, that we literally just have to grab this bag and we have absolutely everything that we need. I had mentioned that in a weekly makeup basket that we had created this, and I had a couple of requests for me to do a video showing what's in it. So if you're curious what's in my travel, this is skincare, hair care, body care, like that kind of thing, then just keep watching. Here we go. Alright, so in the past, when we went places, I would just use like travel products, or I would just grab stuff out of my shower to take with me. But we started going up to see Jared's family about once a month, once every 6 to 8 weeks, something like fairly often. And when we are trying to get out the door, it's like, I feel like it just takes years because we have the dogs, we have to get their crates, their food, our stuff. We like to take our own snacks, and it just ends up being so much stuff that like I end up forgetting stuff for like getting ready. And one thing I think from the pandemic and being home for so long is I have really established my comfort, and I don't like not having my comfort when we go places. So it's really important to me that when we go anywhere, I have like clothes that make me feel good. I have makeup and body care and all those things that make me feel good. So I thought, you know what, let me just curate a bag that we can literally grab out of the closet, put into our luggage, and we are like good. We know that absolutely everything is in there and we're not missing anything. So that's where this came from. This is what this is. I got this stuff from Walmart, CVS with my coupons, maybe a couple things from Target, but mostly from like those affordable places. There is not any makeup in here because I do still pack my makeup if we're going for more than 2 nights. But if we're going for like a night, I literally don't take anything. Or like, for example, if we leave Friday night, we get there Saturday, and we're coming back Sunday, I won't take any makeup. But if we're going to be there a little bit longer, I will. So this is the bag. This is a Swiss bag from Walmart. It's really hard to find bags that are big enough for all of these full-size products. And I even feel like this might be too small, but this is also not very streamlined. Like, there are things we could take out of here if we wanted to make it more streamlined, but here it is. So we have a pocket on the side. Well, there is like a little like non-zip pocket right here, you can see, but then there is one on the side. If you open that up, that is where we have our first bit of product. So it's nice that you can stick whatever you need in here. And then there is this part. So I have actually 2 deodorants in here, and that's what I mean when I say it's not super streamlined. So I have this one, which used to be my go-to deodorant, the Old Spice Wolfthorn deodorant. But you'll see I've kind of switched up what I like. This I've had for such a long time, but this is the Good Chemistry. This is a perfume roller, and this one is in Vanilla Orchid. I really like this, and I have started getting into like scents and perfumes and overall hygiene. And then we have the Bumble and Bumble hairdresser invisible what is this? Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. It's an heat UV primer. I just really use it as a like a spray-on conditioner for my hair. And then the last thing we have in here is a chapstick. This is Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm, and this came in a FabFitFun box. When was it? The fall one this year. So that's everything from this section, and it zips all the way around. And then there is one on the other side, has same pocket here. It zips all the way around as well, if it's not stuck on something. Alright, so we have toothbrushes. Both of us have one. So my husband's stuff's in here as well. And then we got these little cases from the dollar section at Walmart. And then we have wipes. So we don't use a ton of wipes in our everyday life, but while traveling, they're really nice. And I do have a container of baby wipes that I throw in our bag as well that would not fit in here. But the first one we have is the G&Y. These are from CVS, and they are such nice antibacterial wipes because I feel like they really do clean your hands, but they also don't leave like a residue. So I have these antibacterial wipes, and then I have face wipes. These are the Cerave makeup removing cleansing wipes, and these are really nice when you're traveling and you just, you know, you get kind of tired when you're always out and about doing stuff that you don't really have, sorry I hit you guys, and you don't really have the energy to do the full thing of skincare. It's nice to have these. These are just nice to have regardless. Sometimes, you know, we're in the car and I'm like, you know what, let me just take my contacts out. So it's nice to like grab these and be able to do that, and it's comfort, you know, it's all about comfort. Okay, and then there is this section, and it also zips all the way around, and I have this so full. So this does have a feature to hang if you wanted to hang it, but I think this would break something if I hung it. It's so heavy. So there is a zipper compartment here, which we have a razor and backup razors. I have a hairbrush and a scrunchie, and then here are all of our body care needs, and you can see like this is pretty huge. Alright, so at the top here, like I said, we have our razor and we have our the changes. So these came from CVS. Of course, your girl had a coupon, so we just have the Quatro Razor, and we have multiple razor heads so that we can just share it while we are traveling. In this next one, I have just a scrunchie. I'm become like a scrunchie girl, you know, with my fine hair. It works out. And then I have like just a normal hair tie and a hairbrush, and there's another hair tie on this hairbrush as well. So this is a Tangle free brush that I got from TJ Maxx quite a long time ago, but I always forget a hairbrush when we go places, so I wanted to make sure that we had one in here that I would not forget it. Then you come down and we have absolutely everything. So my husband has a deodorant in here, which is the Old Spice Pure Sport. And then I have another deodorant in here, which is the aluminum-free Secret, and this one is in cotton. I also love the Dove aluminum-free as well. And I mentioned in my empties video, no, in my Ulta birthday haul video, that I have been really getting into my hygiene in terms of just really making sure I smell good and all that stuff. Like, I'm a full-time personal trainer, group fitness instructor, so like sweat is just a part of my job. So I want to make sure that I'm still smelling good and feeling good throughout the day. So Chloe Yazmean is a channel here on YouTube who talks all about hygiene, mostly affordable. And she's really what inspired having all of this, and also what I have in my shower. Here's a Cremo brand cooling formula shave cream. We actually just had this on hand, so I threw it in here so we have a shaving option. Some of these products aren't necessarily ones that I would use every single day, but they are nice treats to use when we're traveling. Like Suave, this Milk and Honey. This is such a classic scent, and it's affordable and it smells good, and we really like using that whenever we are out of town. I wear contacts, so I have a contact disinfecting solution. This one is from Costco. It's so big, but honestly, like, the travel size of contact solution is just as much money as like the full size, so I probably just need to get like a smaller container to travel in, but that is fine for now. I have a sheet mask in here, the Neutrogena Hydroboost sheet mask. I actually don't love this because it comes in two pieces. I guess you could see that on the front. It's two pieces, and I find when they're two pieces, they don't stay on as well. But, you know, when you travel, like, your skin tends to be a little bit drier. Even if it's just sitting in the car for a couple hours, I don't know. I just find it still dries out. So I like having that in there. I have Q-tips, just like this travel refillable container. We have, of course, tons of toothpaste because these are the one our dentist gives us. So they're just a few like travel size, Sensodyne, and Crest. So we have that for sure. And then I have a few moisturizers in here. So like I said, I could pare this down and just have one of each. But we have the room to travel with it. So why not? Oh, here's another hygiene or dental thing, plackers. I got this case for refillable flossers, so that's really nice to have. So I have quite a few moisturizers in here because it's really important to me to be moisturized. My skin's so dry. So with the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion, I actually had never used this before getting it for this, but it's nice. The Cerave Daily Moisturizing Lotion, I love this, and I'll actually put it on my face and my body, so it's nice to have a multi-purpose moisturizer. Then I have an Ultra Repair Cream, a little sample size from First Aid Beauty. Really like this one as well. And then I have a hydrating cream. This is from what's her name? Sunday Riley. It's just a little sample size that came from an Ulta bag a while back. But it's nice having like a fancier moisturizer when you are not at home. Uh-oh. We dropping stuff. And then to clean my face, I have the Neutrogena Deep Clean Cream Cleanser. This is such an old school classic. But I was looking for affordable cleansers to take with me that weren't in a glass bottle, that were like in a tube. And this was the only thing I could find under $10 at Walmart. Like I could have upped my price a little bit and had like a Neutrogena one, but I was like, you know what, this is honestly fine. And then the last couple of things in here, we have the Dove shampoo and conditioner. This is the coconut and hydrate. I find the shampoo's a little bit drying, but the conditioner is really nice, so they are a good balance together. I don't think this is one that I would purchase to use every day, but these with my coupons at CVS were like $2.25 each, so you really can't beat that, and that's much cheaper than most travel size. Y'all, travel size makeup or travel size products is like a scam. Really and truly, it is so expensive to get things that are like smaller sizes, which is crazy because you think it would be like the opposite because you're getting less product, but that's not the case. So I'm going to put all of this back in here. And then finally in this front pocket, there are zippers. So the first thing that I have are feminine products. So I have pads and I have tampons in here as well. Just because you never know, let me say, well, I know because I take the pill, but you never know, like, since we just grab and go, like if I'm gonna be, I don't want to have to think about like, do I need to add feminine products to it? Like I just want them in here. And then the last product are cleaners for my glasses. So the only thing that I will throw in here before we leave are my contacts and my contact case and my glasses. I usually will just pack those when I pack my makeup and then we're good to go. So that is everything that we keep in our bag. And there are pockets along the back and the side. And yeah, I think this is nice. I like that we have everything we need. We just grab it. It mostly fits in here. Like I said, I could take out one of those moisturizers or I could take out one of the extra deodorants, but it fits. So if it fits, it sits. I don't know. But this is everything that we take with us when we travel. And I'm sure it's one of those things that things will change out as things run out and that kind of thing. So it'll probably look different over time. But it's so nice to know that like when we're running on the house, we can just grab one bag and we have absolutely everything we need. We don't fly very often. We don't really travel very often in general. But this is definitely something if we wanted to check our bags we could throw in, but it's pretty heavy. So we would probably have to curate something different for actual air travel. But for the car, it's perfect. We have a big piece of luggage that we'll both put our clothes in. We'll throw this in. I'll throw my makeup in and we're good to go. So Let me know if this was helpful. Do you have something like this, or have you thought to have something like this? Let me know in the comments down below. Please subscribe if you're new. Turn on your notifications. So if you want to see when I post, turn those notifications on and you'll get an email every time I post and you'll know right away. So thank you all so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!